As the winter approaches, so does the threat of potential floods all over the Bay Area. According to recent weather predictions, we are in the midst of the El Niño year, which means a significant increase in rainfall this winter. Intense rainfall can challenge the structural integrity of buildings, especially since the average building in the Bay Area is somewhere between 30 and 50 years old. That means that there's a higher chance that water might find its way into the building and cause significant damage. Water damage in buildings is not just an inconvenience, but can also be a serious health hazard to building occupants. If not addressed in a timely manner, mold colonies can form within 24 to 48 hours. Studies show that a series of chronic health conditions are directly related to long-term mold exposure. As a building owner or manager, you want to make sure to protect your residents as well as reduce liability for claims against you or your company. Don't let unexpected disasters catch you off guard. At Dry Kings Restoration, we're here to help you gear up and safeguard your properties against looming danger. Our extensively trained and certified crews stand by, ready to respond 24/7. We specialize in doing the job right, significantly reducing liability for claims like mold, and providing a safer environment for you and for your residents. With our expertise in remediation, we offer quick and effective solutions tailored specifically for what is best for our clients and for their properties. That's why we are a trusted partner for many large property management companies, retail stores, hospitals, universities, and other commercial facilities all over the Bay Area. Prepare your properties for the winter with Dry Kings Restoration. Contact us today to ensure that your buildings are properly protected for all the challenges El Niño might bring. Don't wait until it's too late. Dry Kings Restoration, restoring livelihoods, one building at a time.